Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Synology NAS users looking to boost performance. The OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM kit. Specifically designed for compatibility with a wide range of Synology disk station, rack station, flash station, and NVR/DVA server models. This kit promises to breathe new life into your storage solution. This OWC kit consists of two 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz PC4-21300 cell 19 ECC SODIMM modules. The ECC, or Error Correcting Code, is a significant feature, especially for NAS devices handling critical data. It helps detect and correct memory errors, ensuring data integrity and system stability. These modules are also unbuffered, operating at a low voltage of 1.2 V, which can contribute to energy efficiency. The installation process is generally straightforward, similar to upgrading RAM in a laptop. Always consult your Synology NAS device's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. Make sure the NAS is powered off and disconnected for the power source before you begin. But does this upgrade actually make a difference? In many cases, yes. A RAM upgrade is one of the most effective ways to improve the responsiveness and overall performance of NAS. With 32 GB of RAM, the NAS can handle more concurrent users, larger datasets, and more demanding applications without slowing down. This is particularly beneficial if you're running virtual machines, using your NAS for media streaming, or managing a large number of files. The OWC 32GB kit is compatible with a broad range of Synology models, including the DS1522 Plus, DS1618 Plus, DS1621 Plus, and many others. It's always best to double-check the compatibility list to ensure it works with your specific model. OWC also lists the Synology part numbers D4ECSO, 2666-16G and D4ES01-16G, which is helpful for cross-referencing. For users who demand the best performance and reliability from their Synology NAS, the OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM upgrade is a worthwhile investment. The ECC functionality, combined with the increased memory capacity, provide a noticeable improvement in system responsiveness and data handling capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.